Hey there, metalworkers, DIY enthusiasts, and workshop pros. Are you searching for the best 3 plasma cutting machine that can handle every cutting task with precision and speed? Today, we've handpicked the top plasma cutters on Amazon that are perfect for professionals and hobbyists alike. From clean cuts to durable performance, these machines deliver outstanding results without breaking the bank. Whether you're working on stainless steel, aluminum, or mild steel, these plasma cutters make your projects easier, faster, and more efficient. Stay tuned because we'll break down each product's features, pros, cons, and real customer reviews, so you can confidently choose the perfect plasma cutter for your workshop in the USA. Don't miss this. 1. Flaring FC550D Plasma Cutter. The Flaring FC550D is a high-performance inverter plasma cutter designed for precision and efficiency. It handles various metals effortlessly. Pros: easy to operate, durable design, precise cutting, advanced frequency inverter technology. Cons: slightly heavier than some models, may require extra setup for beginners. Customer reviews: users rave about the clean cuts and long-lasting consumables, stating it's perfect for both DIY and professional work. One reviewer mentioned, "Cuts like butter on steel, worth every penny." 2. Plasma Cutter 110/220V. This compact cutter features a clean display and advanced sensor technology for smooth operations. Perfect for small workshops. Pros: lightweight, easy to use, stable arc performance, precise control. Cons: not ideal for very thick metal sheets. Customer reviews. Customers love its portability and reliability. One said, "I can carry it anywhere in my garage, and it works like a pro-level cutter." 3. SunStack FC Plasma Cutter. The SunStack FC Plasma Cutter comes with non-touch voltage technology, ensuring safe and efficient cuts every time. Pros: safety-focused design, durable build, clean cutting, frequency inverter ensures smooth operation. Cons: learning curve for first-time users. Customer reviews. Users are impressed with its efficiency and smooth cuts. "My go-to cutter for all workshop projects," said a reviewer from Texas. That's a wrap on our review of the best 3 plasma cutting machine available on Amazon today. Whether you're a professional fabricator or a DIY enthusiast, these plasma cutters deliver quality, precision, and value. Don't forget to check the links in the description to grab yours now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more reviews, and share this video with your friends. Stay tuned for more top product picks and expert insights. Happy cutting!